Shell Helix Ultra Racing Lubricant provides maximum protection for the Scuderia Ferrari Formula One engine. Lubricant circulates around the engine at 90 km per hour. A layer of lubricant transmits the enormous forces needed to open valves at 18,000 RPM. Pressure on the lubricant in the main bearings is the equivalent of standing at the bottom of the deepest ocean in the world. It cools surfaces that can reach temperatures of 300 degrees Celsius. Lubricant cleans as it flows, absorbing metal particles that are trapped in the filter, so avoiding damage to the engine. In a race, it travels further than the distance the car travels around the circuit. Shell Helix Ultra Racing Lubricant endures extremes to deliver for Scuderia Ferrari.